Join me, ladies and gentlemen, as we very quickly assess the final cocktail of Black History Month on Mike's Hard Reviews. I could neither think of a witty thing to put in front of this, nor did I think that that was appropriate, so we're just going to shoot a quickie. Today's cocktail is original of mine, something that I've started to do since last year here, and make a contribution to the social idea that we need to be more present for Black History Month. And this cocktail is inspired by a woman who, despite having not won, I will never go back because of. Pamela 2024, let's talk about the ingredients. For this cocktail, you're going to need brandy or cognac, white rum, ginger beer, cream of coconut, lime juice, orange bitters, and for garnish, some mint. Let's go ahead and shake it up. We're going to start with half an ounce of cream of coconut, follow that up with half an ounce of fresh lime juice, come behind that with 1 ounce of a white rum, and 1 ounce of our brandy or cognac of choice. Last but not least, we're going to hit this with 1 to 2 dashes of orange bitters. That's all our ingredients. Let's go ahead and grab some ice. Because we're going to serve this over the ice it was shaken with, we're only going to shake this for about 10 seconds, just until it is too cold to hold, as Shannon Mustafer would say. For serving, I'm going to grab a chilled highball out of my freezer. And before we add our cocktail to that, I'm going to pour a small amount of ginger beer to start our effervescence. Then, we will pour the whole contents of our shaker over top of that. Top this up with a little bit more ice. And we'll finish that off with some more ginger beer. For garnish, we will grab our mint here, get that all nice and bundled up, and give it a good squeeze to express the oils, and put that down next to our ice. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call a coconut tree. Cheers. Let's throw in a straw and give our coconut tree a taste. Cheers. It tastes like a campaign not marred by international interference. It's bright and still creamy, yet spicy from the ginger. It's moderating both its sweetness and tartness with this really nice blend of more mellow, softer, inviting spirits. And honestly, it looks like a fucking coconut tree. How can you go wrong? In all seriousness, I'm gonna take a quick moment to very seriously announce the fact that we are kind of fucked right now in this country. Fuck Donald Trump and fuck anyone who thinks that they have the right to establish authoritarian power over the people in this country. Support black businesses, support queer businesses, and understand that the intersectionality between those two things needs a special attention at this moment. Our fight is just beginning. We have 2 years to go through before we have a chance to stop any of the ridiculous bullshit that we're about to face. And do not let the past fade into non-existence simply because someone tells you you shouldn't be listening to it. Black history is American history, and remember that no matter what we do, we'll always be there. Fuck this country. Have a good day.